you? I hope you're fine wherever you are. Welcome again to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lucia. Karibu sana. Welcome and feel much appreciated for coming back again to watch our content. And if you're new here, welcome. Remember to subscribe. We have a subscription button down below there. Kindly make sure you subscribe so that you can continue watching our beautiful content in this channel. Okay? And before you start watching this video, I appreciate if you like this video and you can comment down below after you have finished watching it, and I really appreciate a lot. So today is on a Monday. It's long since I posted. The last video was on when? Is it Friday or Thursday? I don't know. But now today is on Monday and it's 10 a.m. I'm just here outside our house, just chilling and reflecting on what to do today. So it has been raining during the weekend. Has it rained at your place? It has rained here on Saturday and Sunday. Is it Saturday and Sunday or when? It rained a lot. So we thank God for the rain and we hope it will continue raining. So now I want to start my day right now. So I welcome you to today's video and I hope you enjoy it. So I have my baby here. Hi Harvey. How are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
Fine.
What is your name? Harvey Nani. Harvey Nani? I'm just here chilling with Harvey. As you can see, today is sunny, and as I told you, it has been, yes, it has been raining here. Yes, Alvin. What? Chapa doggy. Sawa. Okay. So as I told you, it has been raining during the weekend, and we have these drums here. These two blue drums here, they have water. We didn't put this pipe that takes water to those tanks, so we decided to just collect water there, and it has really helped us. So as you can see, the clouds are still dark clouds, so that means it will continue raining. Let me enjoy the sun before I start my work. Ati? Let me enjoy the sunrise, not the sunset. The sunrise before I start my work for today. This is how I do. In the morning, I just come here, reflect, enjoy the sunrise, and then start my day. That's my daily routine. Yeah, that's my daily routine. No, don't do that. Alvin, how are you?
Fine.
What are you doing?
Fine.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, almost.